This sensational 4-bedroom ranch in Wildwood Estates West is simply irresistible. The popular Emily floor plan is expanded with impressive dimensions. Beginning with superior curb appeal, handsome landscaping on a large 0.67-acre lot and an oversized 3-car garage. Welcoming open floor plan with hardwood floors, impressive vault ceiling in the living, dining and kitchen, double-sided gas fireplace with stacked stone built-in bookshelf and cabinets, display shelf with lighting, plaid shelf at dining room. The vast kitchen features stainless steel appliances, 42 maple staggered cabinets, large center island, pantry, breakfast room. Master bedroom has coffered ceiling. Master bathroom features corner tub with subway tile, 2 separate vanities, 5 shower and walk-in closet. Lower level is finished with family room, recreation room, wet bar, office, 4th bedroom and 3/4 bath with tile.